We strongly believe in making the inspection a positive experience, ensuring the best for learners, offering leaders a professional and constructive dialogue, and sharing our broad experiences from across Wales to support improvement. This is how we approach our work. Our mindset helps us to make the inspection a positive experience for the school community and a robust process. Inspection is fair and impartial. We are independent, objective, robust and consistent, and our evaluations are honest, accurate and credible. We focus on strengths as well as shortcomings and the impact they have on learners. Our inspections are always transparent, focusing on direct and succinct communication. Inspections are always supportive of improvements that benefit learners, encourage innovation and creativity, good intentions and educational reform. Our inspections are reflective, open-minded, receptive, thoughtful and measured, taking into account the different context and challenges facing each provider. Our principles remain the same. With learners at the heart of every inspection, we always focus clearly on the quality of teaching and learning. We'll always report on what's working well and what needs improving. Adapt our approach to each individual provider. Use tailored methodologies that take into account each provider's circumstance in order to fully evaluate robustly and fairly. We want to help ensure a professional learning experience that benefits everyone. Through our actions, we promote trust and respect. View our next animation to see what the revised inspection framework looks like.